Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. We are back again with one more exciting English conversation video where we will talk about one of the most enjoyable topics in life, travel.
That's right. Traveling allows us to explore new places, meet new people, experience different cultures, and create unforgettable memories.
In today's conversation, we'll discuss our favorite travel destinations, dream vacations, travel experiences, useful travel tips, and much more.
This conversation is designed to help you improve your English speaking and listening skills while learning useful vocabulary and expressions related to travel.
So whether you're a beginner or an advanced English learner, sit back, relax, and enjoy today's English conversation.
And don't forget to listen carefully, repeat the useful phrases, and practice speaking along with us.
Are you ready?
Let's get started.
So let's begin with a simple question. Do you enjoy traveling?
Yes, I do. Traveling is one of my favorite activities. I love visiting new places and learning about different cultures.
That's wonderful. I also enjoy traveling because it gives me a break from my daily routine. It helps me relax and refresh my mind.
I completely agree. Sometimes we become so busy with work or studies that we forget to take time for ourselves. Traveling can be a great way to recharge.
Exactly. What was the last place you visited?
The last place I visited was a beautiful coastal city. It had amazing beaches, delicious seafood, and friendly people.
That sounds like a perfect vacation. What did you enjoy the most there?
I enjoyed walking along the beach during sunset. The view was absolutely stunning.
Sunsets by the beach are always special. The last place I visited was a mountain town.
Really? What was it like?
It was peaceful and surrounded by nature. There were tall mountains, green forests, and clean air everywhere.
That sounds very relaxing. Sometimes nature is the best escape from city life.
I couldn't agree more. Speaking of city life, do you prefer visiting cities or natural destinations?
That's a difficult choice. I enjoy both, but if I had to choose, I would pick natural destinations.
Why is that?
Because I enjoy hiking, exploring forests, and spending time outdoors. Nature helps me feel calm and connected to the world.
That's a great reason. I think I prefer cities because there are usually more things to do.
Such as?
Museums, shopping centers, historical sites, restaurants, and cultural events.
That's true. Cities offer a lot of entertainment and opportunities to learn.
If you could travel anywhere in the world tomorrow, where would you go?
I would love to visit Japan.
That's a popular choice. Why Japan?
Because it has a unique combination of modern technology and traditional culture. I would love to see Tokyo, Kyoto, and Mount Fuji.
Those places look beautiful. I've heard the food there is amazing as well.
Yes, that's another reason I want to visit. I would love to try authentic Japanese dishes.
My dream destination is Italy.
Why Italy?
I've always been fascinated by its history, architecture, and food. I would love to visit Rome, Venice, and Florence.
Italy is definitely on my travel list too.
Let's talk about travel planning. Are you someone who plans everything in advance?
Yes, I am. I like to have a schedule before I travel.
What kind of things do you plan?
I book flights, reserve hotels, research attractions, and prepare a daily itinerary.
You're very organized.
I try to be. It helps avoid unnecessary stress during the trip.
That's true. I'm a little different. I like having a general plan, but I also enjoy being spontaneous.
So you like surprises?
Sometimes, some of the best travel experiences happen when things don't go exactly as planned.
That's a good point. What is the most important thing to pack before a trip?
Definitely my passport if I'm traveling internationally.
That's a very important one.
Besides that, I always carry my phone charger, comfortable clothes, and essential documents.
I always make sure to pack a small first aid kit.
That's smart. You never know when you might need it. Have you ever forgotten something important while traveling?
Yes, unfortunately.
What happened?
Once I forgot my phone charger at home.
That must have been frustrating.
It was. My phone battery kept running low and I had to buy a new charger.
At least it was something that could be replaced.
That's true. What about you?
I once forgot to bring a jacket during a trip to a cold destination.
Let me guess, you were freezing.
Absolutely. I had to buy a jacket on the first day.
Travel teaches us important lessons.
It certainly does. Another interesting topic is transportation. What's your favorite way to travel?
I enjoy traveling by train.
Why trains?
They're comfortable, relaxing, and often provide beautiful scenery along the journey.
That's true. I enjoy train travel as well.
What about airplanes?
Airplanes are convenient for long-distance travel because they save a lot of time,
Yes, although airports can sometimes be stressful.
especially during busy seasons.
Have you ever experienced a delayed flight?
Yes, once my flight was delayed for nearly 6 hours.
Wow. What did you do while waiting?
I read a book, watched videos, and walked around the airport.
That's a good way to stay occupied.
Travel doesn't always go smoothly, but that's part of the experience.
Exactly. Sometimes the challenges become the stories we remember most.
That's very true. Speaking of memorable experiences, what is your favorite travel memory?
One of my favorite memories is watching the sunrise from the top of a mountain after a long hike.
That sounds incredible.
The view was worth every step.
My favorite travel memory is taking a boat ride during sunset. The sky was filled with beautiful colors.
Moments like those stay with us forever.
They certainly do. Do you think traveling is important?
Yes, I do.
Why?
Because it helps us learn about different cultures, understand other people, and become more open-minded.
I completely agree. Traveling also improves problem-solving skills and builds confidence.
That's true. When you're in an unfamiliar place, you learn how to adapt and make decisions.
Exactly. Every trip teaches us something valuable.
And every destination has a unique story to tell.
Well said.
Before we finish, let's answer one final question.
Sure.
If you could choose between traveling around the world for 1 year or receiving a luxury house, what would you choose?
I would choose traveling around the world.
Really?
Yes, experiences and memories are priceless.
I feel the same way. A year of travel would be an unforgettable adventure.
Absolutely.
Travel allows us to discover not only new places, but also new things about ourselves.
That's a beautiful thought.
Thank you.
And with that, we've reached the end of today's English conversation about travel.
We hope you enjoyed listening and learned some useful English vocabulary and expressions.
Keep practicing your English every day.
And keep exploring the world one journey at a time.
Thank you so much for watching.
See you in the next video.
Goodbye, everyone.
Take care and happy travels.